Samantalang tiniyak po ng Philippine Navy na walang dapat ikabahala sa daan-daang barko ng China na namataan sa West Philippine Sea, partikular na sa Mischief Reef. Yan ang ulat ni Patrick De Jesus.
Sapat ang bilang at nagpapatrolya ang mga asset ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea. Ito ang pagtitiyak ng Philippine Navy matapos monitor ang hanggang 25 warships ng China, 200 militia vessels at 10 hanggang 15 barko ng China Coast Guard. Sabi ng Navy, normal lamang ito at hindi nakakabahala ang bilang. Gayunman, nakabantay sila sa magiging aksyon ng mga ito.
The massing of or the presence of foreign warships, multi-militia or Chinese Coast Guard is a product of different factors that includes the operational tempo, that includes the weather in the area, that includes the projection in the West Philippine Sea. Nevertheless, the Philippine Navy and the armed forces will continue what we have been doing, supported by our constitutional mandate. Our sovereignty is violated, the territory is intact, and to continue after the work of the Filipino people.
The numbers kasi, as the Good Commodore said, they're consistent with last years. So it's really not alarming in terms of the numbers, but what we are really concerned about is their actions towards our own troops. So we keep on repeating that, of course, we will always look out for the welfare of our troops and clandestine doctors.